Come on, and I'm back with another video. Got a few more things to check out. Let's see what's in this guy here. That's all the order info and packing. Oh. That right there is a thing of beauty for sure. As always, gorgeous ASUS packaging. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. 1070 should be a wonderful thing. Check it out, check it out. So inside the box we have another box. Alright. Public Gamer, Strix, ASUS 1070. Some foam in search of incredible documentation and drivers. That's what she said. All right. Spin that box around. There we go. That is one magnificent, beautiful specimen. Right there. So there we have it, ladies and gents. The ROG Strix GeForce GTX 1070. We'll be slapping that in later on tonight. And I'll be back in a moment with another video. We received another package today as well, so I'll see you guys on the flip. Bye.